Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. How is everybody doing? Yes, it is another Adore Me haul, but it is it's something different. It is a swimsuit haul, and yeah, I love this color. Let me get it. Yes, it is an Adore Me haul, and I never usually get two-piece, so this is my first two-piece, honey. So if um if I'm gonna travel, I have to look really, really good, honey. I have to look good. Okay. So yeah, it's a two-piece, and it's yellow. It's like a bright yellow. It's not a pale yellow. It's bright. Of course, I got something to open it with. But here I am trying to open it. Okay, there we go. It has a little flip thing on the top there. Yes. So how is everybody doing? I put a lot of oil on my neck because you have to keep those wrinkles from forming on your neck. So I normally use like not cocoa butter. I usually use coconut oil and on my neck. But anywho, yes, this is like the bottom piece. It's 1X. It's the bottom piece. It looks like that, guys. And the front. The front. Yeah, this is the front. And it has the little fringes at the side, little mesh material, but it's very, very nice. So hopefully I'll be able to go on vacation. I'm just hoping. Oh, and it does have the little protective thing at the crotch here. There's a protective liner. Very nice. So, I mean, if you don't want it or you don't like it, you can return it. So, yeah. But this is the bottom. And then this is the top piece. And it's just $39.99. Can you believe that? And it's good quality. They make really, really good quality bathing suits. This would like cost like $100 in stores, but and it's 40 double D. Got my size. And it's like a bustier kind of thing. It looks kind of like a bra, but it's not a bra. But it looks like that. This has the padding. I love it. The padding is in there. So your nips won't show through. It looks like that. Inside looks like that. Well made. Well made. And it has the iron liner. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. Look at it. Beautiful. And it's got the mesh down the bottom to the side. It's really, really, really cute. So if you really like these kind of, it's not revealing. That's why I got it. It's like really high waisted with the bustier. So yeah. So hopefully oh, the back is cute. So it comes with the little. You have three little slots. So you can put it in the first slot there, second slot or third slot, depending on how tight you want it. But it goes in like that. And then bottom comes with two snaps. It goes in like that. But look at it. See how cute the back is? It's really, 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 really cute. That's a nice yellow. Really nice yellow. Yeah. So that's for my little Adore Me haul. It is very nice. I love it. I love the thickness of it. It's not a thin strip like thing. It's very thick. And I have bought like several um, swimsuits from Adore Me, and I'm never disappointed. You know, the quality in their items is very good. They last you a long, long time. And I'm gonna do my Birchbox as well. Might as well do both of them at once. So now I'm doing a Birchbox unboxing, and yeah, not sure what kind of. Oh, it looks like a woman sitting down or something. I don't know. Back look like this. Maybe it's abstract. Okay, anyway, it comes with a card. It says stuff you actually want to do on your to-do list, want to try, want to read, want to watch, want to listen to, want to learn, want to cook, bake, eat, want to do. And then the back has what is in the box. Okay, so I did look at it, guys. I did look into it, and I'm not really excited about none of these items. If you know me, guys, you know that I like lippies. If they send me anything with lippies, then I'm excited. But there's no lippies up in here. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this is the Amica, and these are very, very. I like the brand of Amica. They sell really nice items. They smell good. They have the saltwater spray for the hair. That's really good. And this is the Flash Instant Shine Mask. Let me get that booklet. And it quickly deliver moisture and shine. Squeeze out excess water from hair and then apply products in sections. Fully saturated mid-length to ends. Wait 60 minutes, then rinse out. So this is for the hair. Okay, and it retails for $25. This is the sample price. The sample size. Okay, let's see what it smells like. It comes with a little silver top. Sweet. Ooh, dang. Okay, it's very liquidy, guys. Very liquidy. Look at that. Ooh, it's all over my hand. But it smells amazing. One thing with them, their products always smell so, 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 so good. So, yeah. Yeah, it smells really, really good. But it's really liquidy. Like, too liquidy. So, anyway. The next thing is this is the Eyebrow Tint. Like that. And open it up. Okay, so it comes with a little tip. Swatchy, swatchy. Okay, it doesn't show that much. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you're supposed to put that on your eyebrows. I already done my eyebrows. Yeah. So this is Arrow. It's weightless brow tint, dark brown, $18 for the full size. And this eyebrow tint helps to shape and define your eyebrows with all day wear that never stiff. Use quick layer for natural your brows look you better. Look or build for more coverage. So I guess you have to apply more than one coat. So that retails for $18, guys. Okay, so the next thing is the Sand and Sky. This is the Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So it's an exfoliating treatment. Let's see. Flash perfection. Okay. When skin is still damp from cleansing, leave on this facial treatment for 5 minutes before massaging and rinsing off to detoxify and nourish skin. Use up to 3 times a week. So it retails for $36.90. Okay. All right. So let's see what we got. Oh, okay. It's brand. It smells really good. So you rub it in your skin. Oh, it has sand in it, which is why the thing says sand. That makes sense. Smells good. Yeah, so all these things smell so good so far. So far, so good. Right. Next thing is the Payout Cream. It's called Payout Cream, and this is the silky rich cream cleanser. Melts in your skin for intense 24-hour hydration. Apply over face after cleansing in the morning and evening, and it retails for $48. So it's a cleanser. You can use it morning or evening. Okay, this one doesn't have the seal. It doesn't have the seal. Okay, I'll put it on this side since I have all that smell nice over there. Okay, it's a thick, thick white cream. Okay, doesn't have any smell. It has a faint smell, very light smell. So it's okay. So that's $48. Oh, it's a cream. It's a moisture cream, so that's why it's thick. Okay. Yeah. And then this is the Works. This is called the Works. Wow, this is expensive. This is $52. This plumping serum uses hyaluronic acid and vitamin C to hydrate and brighten tired-looking skin. Massage into skin each morning after cleansing and follow with a moisturizer. So this is for plumping serum. It's a plumping serum. This smells good too. They have all smell nice. So that's good. So this is $52. So the only thing that I'm really excited about, because I love their products, they always smell good, is this, the Flash Instant Shine Mask for hair. And maybe the brow, because I like when my brows are well done. But, yep. So only these two I'm really excited about. But not loving this box. Hopefully Birchbox will come up with something better than this, okay? Especially when I like lippies. Alright. If you see anything that you like, you can also go on Birchbox website and purchase some items. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you guys have a wonderful evening, a wonderful night whenever you see this. Bye guys. And hit that subscribe button on your way out. Always subscribe. Alright, let me get off here.